Dear 9th class students, today we solve question number 1 from exercise 8.2, and this question is related to midpoint theorem which we have already proved. Now question is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQ, R and S are the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. AC is diagonal, show that SR is parallel AC and SR is half of AC, and this is second which we have to prove PQ is equal this SR, and number third is PQRS is a parallelogram. So we have a quadrilateral ABCD. So this is a quadrilateral ABCD in which P, Q, R and S, these are the midpoints of these four sides of a quadrilateral, and this AC is one of it is diagonal. So we know here, first we write given ABCD is a quadrilateral in which P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively, and AC is one of it is diagonal. Now we have to prove, so our to prove is first that is SR is parallel AC and SR is half of AC. Second, this PQ is SR, and third that is PQ SR or SPQ or S is a parallelogram. So we have to prove this. Now attention here, very simple. We know by midpoint theorem, when a line is joining from the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. So we know this. Now proof of question is we know by midpoint theorem here in triangle ABC, P and Q are the midpoints of sides AB and BC. Then this PQ is parallel AC, PQ is parallel AC, and PQ is half of AC. So name this first. So this is first. So here SR is parallel AC and SR is half of AC. We have to prove this. Now similarly in triangle, ACD we have again this RS, R and S are the midpoints of triangle of sides CD and AD. Then by midpoint theorem then SR is parallel to AC, then SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. So see first here, SR is parallel AC and SR is half of AC. Now name the second. So we prove this first. Now this was first this to prove that is SR is parallel AC and SR is half of AC. Now here second, which we have to prove, PQ is SR. PQ is SR. So from first and second, from first and second, we get here PQ is half of AC, here SR is half of AC. So right hand sides are equal, then left hand sides are also equal. So then PQ from first and second, PQ is equal SR. So this was second. So we proved second. Now from first, second and third. From first, second and third. First, second and third. So see first is PQ is parallel AC, PQ is parallel this AC and PQ is half of AC. So from this first and second, again PQ is equal SR. Here PQ is also parallel SR. Here we write here, and PQ is parallel SR. Name this third. So from first, second and third, we get from first, second and third, we get PQ is equal SR and PQ is parallel SR. Again, when we join this diagonal, here we get this PS is parallel QR and PS is this equal QR. Therefore, from first, second and third, this PQRS is a parallelogram. So this was through this which we proved. So proved third. Now so your homework is, today's homework, practice question number 2 from this exercise. This was exercise 8.2. Now this end of this question.